Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking immediate map control and locking a predictable path. This forces the opponent into your preferred engagement. Once done, ready your primary with a full clip and bind quick switch for the med's pistol transition. Make one aggressive peek to bait them close. This creates the distance and timing you need. You do this because close range aim and movement favor the small pistol swap. Anticipate their counter and commit to the first follow-up shot to secure the advantage. Once you land initial damage, execute the swap within 3 to 5/10 seconds to keep pressure and preserve recoil rhythm. Make sure to strafe cancel and use a brief crouch burst as you swap. This tightens spread and keeps your profile small. Then, fire 2 quick, controlled pistol taps aimed from torso sliding up to head. This balances TTK and accuracy. If the first 2 shots connect, press the advantage. If not, back into cover and reset to avoid being punished during reload windows. You close the fight by committing to a final precise shot sequence, either 1 headshot or 2 fast torso taps within 0.6 of a second, because speed beats hesitation. Once done, reload your primary immediately or safely stash the pistol and reposition 90 degrees off the previous angle to avoid enemy trade. If the swap fails and you get punished, break line of sight, bait their reload or peek, then punish on their recovery. This recovery loop prevents repeating the same timing mistake and regains map control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.